To create a webinar using a Thinkific account, the process is relatively straightforward. First, it's essential to understand why creating a webinar is necessary, especially for online businesses. Webinars provide an opportunity for face-to-face interaction with clients before they make a purchasing decision. Within the Thinkific account, the process begins on the home screen, where you click on the Products option, represented by 3 geometric shapes, and then select Coaching and Webinars from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the New Event button on the top right side of the screen and choose the Webinar option. Thinkific offers built-in AI that can create a landing page for the webinar. But it's crucial to provide as much information as possible about the target audience, the webinar's content, and its price to ensure the AI creates an effective landing page. This information helps reduce the amount of work needed to organize the details later on. After inputting the necessary details, such as the webinar's topic, the target audience, and what users can expect to gain from it, you can choose to either let the AI create the landing page or opt to create a blank product if you prefer to do it manually. Once the AI generates the landing page, it can be edited to fit specific needs, such as changing the title, adding a personal touch, or uploading an image related to the webinar's topic. Customizing the landing page involves editing each section, such as adding a picture or changing the text, to match the webinar's theme and offer. After making the necessary adjustments, the colors and branding of the page can be changed to suit preferences. Once the landing page is set up, the next step involves setting up the pricing for the webinar. If the webinar is free, this step is straightforward, but for paid webinars, details such as the price and payment schedules can be configured. The webinar can then be scheduled by specifying the date, time, and duration, as well as integrating it with video conferencing services like Zoom or Google Meet. Finally, after completing all the steps, the webinar needs to be published. After publishing, the webinar's URL can be shared across various platforms, and a preview of the landing page can be viewed to ensure everything looks as intended. The landing page will prompt users to sign up by entering their first name and email. And if the webinar is paid, they will be directed to a payment page to complete their registration. Upon successful registration, users will receive access to the webinar, completing the process of setting up and hosting a webinar through Thinkific.